right, we are going to look at room 212 at this Comfort Inn in the Blacksburg, Christiansburg area. We have RFID lock. So you enter the room, here it is. And as you know, this hotel has interior corridors. It was built in probably the early 90s based on the elevator. This right here, the first thing you see is the bathroom, and it has that heat lamp up there, which a lot of modern hotels don't have. Down there's your towels. This has obviously been redone. This is a very nice bathroom, and that light just timed out. It's on a timer. Big mirror, light for shaving. Appear to have decent amenities. Let's take a look at the commode and make sure it's clean. Yep, the commode is clean. And in here, this is the bathtub. It's reasonably clean. I mean, it has some of this like a lot of older hotels have. But let's check the water pressure. Definitely acceptable. It's definitely acceptable. Now we're going to go out here into the room where you have a mirror there, and behind us, we actually have a closet with a door. You have extra bedding, ironing board, and looks like an older safe down there. And if this dates the hotel, you don't really find any modern hotels with adjoining rooms. But speaking of modern, the room looks pretty modern, don't you think, Zach?
Yeah, I guess so.
Got some local theme paintings on the wall. Over next to the bed, you have a nightstand. And over here, you have another nightstand with my charger on it. And there's a Bible and a phone book. Telephone. There's a chair with Zach's coat in it. And over there is your fridge and your microwave. Oh, there's my strawberries in there. Microwave is clean. LG flat screen TV. So yeah, this is definitely a decent room, but now we gotta see, is it clean underneath the sheets? Clean under there. Clean under there. And clean under there. Most choice hotels I come across are usually pretty clean, but Zach pointed out something over here. Walmart brand coffee. But other than that, a really nice room. Speaking of the bed, Zach's going to come back in the room. Let me let him in. There's Zach. Come on in here, and I want to see your opinion of the bed. The bed's clean underneath. Go ahead and lay down on it and tell me what you think of it.
It's very firm, and I don't like my beds firm, so we'll have to see how this goes.
You walked out of the room like there's some smell in here or something.
Yeah, isn't that funny? Did you get the microwave in the fridge?
Yes, I did, and I showed the Walmart brand coffee.
And only 2 drawers.
That's adequate for a hotel, but anyway, how much do we pay for this room?
$98 a night.
And what do you think of it?
We did pay for an upgraded view. Of course, it's dark right now, but it is a mountain.
Oh, speaking of, we have a Friedrich air conditioning unit, and this is supposedly
a mountain view.
A mountain view,
but we paid extra for it. Of course, you can't see anything.
It's pitch black out there.
I'll show you later.
So, what do you think, Zach? Are you happy?
I mean, for $98, yeah.
All right.
Absolutely.
So I guess that'll be it. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. you can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.